guys, I would love to get on here and tell you that this is an old video and that we filmed it when we first moved in here. However, that's not the case. I just did this Sunday, a whole 3 months after moving in. I love to organize, but not having my hormone replacement therapy really hit me hard, and we have some good news. I am back on the stuff that did me very well. So that's super exciting. So let's jump into what we're doing here. So I'm organizing a his and her sides that meet in the middle. The left, we have his fancy shirts, long sleeve shirts, and flannels on top. On the bottom, we have all of his pants and his army uniforms. Don't ask me where the rest of the uniform is. I don't know. I only found his tops. So now we're going to move over to my side, which on the top of the right side, I'll have my PJ sets, my long sleeve tops, and then on the bottom, I will have my bottoms going from sweatpants to not pants, not sure what to call them, and then to jeans. And then if you go right some more, I will have all my dresses and my two-piece sets hanging. Along the back wall is where it gets spicy and where we meet in the middle, because all of our t-shirts are hanging on top. And we share t-shirts and hoodies. Get over it. So on the top, all the t-shirts, bottom left, all of our hoodies and my doggy's t-shirt. On the right, at the bottom, are my sleeveless or crops tops situations. And then my jackets are farther to the right. They're like heavier jackets. And then in the middle, going from on the left side, which is his sleep pants, his boxers, his shorts, his sweatpants / Adidas pants. He has a lot. And then his PT stuff at the bottom. And then on the right side is all of my stuff. So with my bras at the top, my underwear next, and then my leggings, and then all of my shorts, and then Ryan's random uniform pieces that I have no idea what they are or where they go. He is going to move that to the other room where his army stuff actually is. That way it's not in our closet. He doesn't use it very much. So yeah, he'll be moving that. And then on the right where the dresses are hanging, there is like a little cubby above that as well. So I'm going to put these hats that you can see here on the right. One was made by my very best friend, and then the other one was gifted to me by our very sweet friends when we were leaving our last post. And I love them both. And I also have my cowboy hat that I'm going to put over there as well. And I'm super excited to get my winter cowboy hat. That sounds crazy. Side note, this corn sitting here in my closet is my favorite stool that I have. After seeing the girl literally break hers and have to go to the hospital, I got a little nervous sitting on it, but everything was fine. So I'm going to keep doing it and it'll be okay. I just like very slowly and very carefully sit on it. I know this is a different type of video for me, but I hope you guys like watching me speed hang all of these clothes, first of all. And secondly, I hope you like watching me organize it, because this part is my favorite part, watching all the colors come together and stuff. And then all like the different things come together. My favorite part, absolutely my favorite. Here's that little shelf I was talking about. There's actually two, you just can't see the top one, but all my hats are over there now. So that's super exciting. And here's the big reveal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.